Welcome to this private retreat in Clackamas County's sought-after Stafford area. Situated on nearly 2 acres, you'll enjoy a spacious home and beautifully landscaped property. From the gated entry, you'll discover a charming home that includes a separate living quarters in a serene, tranquil setting. A covered front porch invites you inside. You'll discover hardwood floors, walls of windows, and an open concept floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The generous kitchen features cherry cabinets, an eating bar, and gas appliances. The main level master suite has direct access to the deck, a walk-in closet, plus an added full closet. It's a well-appointed, relaxing master bath with a dual sink vanity, separate shower, and a jetted tub. You'll find another large bedroom. And French doors open to the main level office. Relax by the stone fireplace in the family room. The daylight lower level is a flexible space with a separate living quarters, an outside entry, and a second kitchen. It includes another bedroom and a full bath. On the expansive deck, enjoy dining al fresco under the lighted gazebo. Or explore the grounds, play in the year-round creek, or take advantage of the numerous spots perfect for relaxing. Savor the serenity of this incredible setting by wandering the trails where it's easy to connect with nature. It's also ideal for celebrations, large or small gatherings, weddings, or other events. Living here, you'll also enjoy highly rated schools and have easy access to shopping, restaurants, and parks. An exceptional opportunity, and it's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Susan Wand with Premier Property Group at 503-720-0315.